Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got the call from local garage and asked my help. Basically, they done the service 2 days ago. I think this is for Transit. I'm not sure which model, which year. I could be it's 2018. They mentioned yes. They mentioned it's 2018. After service, they done three tires and they done oil and oil filter. Just oil and oil filter. They change after 2 days. Vehicle turn up and they said vehicle in a limp mode. However, today I'm going to diagnostic what's going on there and what happened. Yeah, let's go to the job. Yeah, let's go. Oops, I'll forget my computer. Like this problem, I need a computer help. Right. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes people ask Charlie, which computer you are using for the this job. Basically, I have a one, two, three, four, five. Basically, I have a seven computers, but I'm not going to use it snap on one for the this job. No, and not Mac tool one. Yeah, and I'm going to use it launch one. Right. Then let's go. The starter motor I changed last week. If you have any ideas how about this brand, please mention below because I use this starter motor for my recovery truck because I check with local supplies all around 160 onward. But this one I bought it brand new one, 98 or 97 something. I'm not sure, but however I installed to the my recovery truck. If you have any idea about this brand, please comment below. Thank you. Yeah, I'm here. Like this problem, I need a computer support. What's going on? What happened there? Right. First of all, I'm going to start the car. Hmm, nice and clear dashboard. I can't see any warning, but there is a one message active. I don't know what is that message. You see, bonnet open. Yeah, that's right. Because I already opened the bonnet. Yeah, I'm going to take a computer report first to have a find out what's going on. There is a one faulty code for the ABS data received from ECA powertrain module is invalid. Yeah, that's for the something trigger up from the engine control module. We'll see what is on transmission control system MIL request and also 2563 7268 turbocharge boost control position A circuit range performance. Right. Basically, I can confirm one thing. This is not related at all for the service what they done. Basically, they said they change oil and oil filter because it's not affected to the turbo. Could be like a tiny tummy ache or could be something serious like a cancer. I'm not sure until check the engine bay. I'm going to the engine bay and have a look, but however I need another assistant to operate this ignition and switch off. I'll ask someone from there and same time I'm going to check the engine bay. You can see here, see the here leaking boost here. See boost leaking. I can see the little bit suit there, but I need someone help to the operate the key, and I want to make sure this rod working fine. This is the first suspect place. If it not, you can see underneath here this sensor. This is the turbo boost pressure sensor. Sometimes it could be faulty, sometimes it could be wiring somewhere. Too early to comment anything. First thing first, I need to another hand to operate the ignition. I'll ask someone help there. Yeah, second position. Yeah, ignition on. Is it on? Ignition on. Off. Yeah, I feeling this rod bit stick, but could be that this is the problem, or could be right. We'll see any, because it shouldn't happen overnight like this problem. We'll see the what happened this thing, because I need to check the this wire. We'll see what happened on this side. Bingo, I think I found the problem. Okay, thank you. Right, I'm going to bring the big screwdriver and show you. I can see something melted inside. Could be that is the problem. Yeah, hold on, I'll come back to you. Can you see the this hose? Is it melted? Yeah, see, see the this hose, it's melted. Some scenario, I don't know what's the hose. It's right under the, see, all melted. Right, this is the could be problem. Right, okay, I think I got something. Yeah, first of all we have to sort out this pipe, skinny pipe. Then after that I'm going to have a look what's going on for the this rod, because this rod need to be operated. But however, if the signal not come through here, because signal half away, I think this is the pipe, it's damaged inside. Yeah, okay, I know something now. Right, first of all I'm going to sort out that problem, then after that I'll come back to you. Right, I informed to the manager, he's going to sort out. If you need anything more to do, I'll come back to you. Otherwise, this is the problem could be. Yeah, small and quick diagnostic. Thank you. See you in the next video. If you need to join up with our WhatsApp group, please see the link below and press that link and you can join to our WhatsApp group. Thank you. See you with the next video.